How to repair yellow burn spots on your lawn with baking soda. Having 3 dogs and 3 goats outside, I have had my share of yellow burn spots on my lawn. Depending on your dog or cat, he or she can get out of hand at times. They seem to choose a different place to do their thing each time. I have not come up with an eHow article on how to stop them from doing that. Here I will tell you how to use common items around your home to repair their damaged yellow burn spots. This is what I use to fix the problem without having to purchase something that is going to cost a lot of money. Everyday items in your home will work just fine. Things you'll need: Arm & Hammer baking soda, Wesson corn oil second way, Budweiser third way, and on. To repair the yellow burn spots that my animals cause on my lawn by urine, I dissolve 1 cup Arm & Hammer baking soda in a 1-gallon watering can or jug. I then saturate the urine spots every 3 days. The baking soda neutralizes the acidity of the urine and deodorizes the area of the lawn, preventing my dogs from recognizing the spot and doing the same thing again. To kill fungi that cause the brown patch or brown or yellow rings or patches in my yard, I mix 1 tablespoon of Arm & Hammer baking soda, 1 tablespoon Wesson corn oil, and 1 gallon of water. I then sprayed a light mist of this solution on my lawn. I aerated the lawn and added 1/2 inkle of compost. Compost that I use contains microbe Trichoderma, which feeds on the fungi. Mix 1 cup Budweiser, 1 cup Epsom salt, 1 cup ivory dishwashing liquid, and 1 cup Listerine in a 1-quart jar. I spray this on up to 2,500 square feet of my lawn with a hot attached sprayer in May and again in late June. It works wonders. Tips: Warnings. I do everything myself as shown above, and it all works well for me and my lawns created by my family pets. None